like not a little.
Oh, wow.
Hello.
Hey. Okay.
Hello.
Hi.
Look who decided to join the party.
I pressed on the wrong one. I was on the grade 10 one I already was on this morning.
Oh.
I joined the wrong meeting.
The only time it's all 15 minutes.
I didn't hear any of that. It was all mumbling. That's probably for the best.
I said the only one I have been on here talking for like a solid 15 minutes.
Oh. I've been trying to get organized this morning.
20 now. Yeah.
Oh, you're hard done by, girls.
We're so hard done by.
Okay. Where are we at here this morning? You want to go through questions in your workbook and finish up this chapter today?
I finished the whole review in the back.
Okay.
Except for the 6.3.
Yeah, so 6.
I'm working on the 6.4 in the review in the back.
Okay.
But I actually found the review in the back of 6.4 to actually be really easy.
Okay.
Like it wasn't that hard at all.
All right.
What was I gonna say? I've been submitting the identity sheet that's in the book.
Okay, say that again, Rory.
I said I've just been using the identity sheet that's in the book. Is that like,
Where is
right?
it? Where did you find it?
Like the one that's at the beginning of like that one chapter, like 6.2 or something like that.
Oh, that. Yeah, that's fine. I would just. I thought maybe they put one in your book for you, but they don't. Maybe they will. Just a second. Yeah, that's all right. I just want it on one. Like personally, I always put it on one sheet. I usually get classes to write it out on one sheet.
I do have it on a sheet, but I rather look at the typed out stuff rather than looking at my pick and scratch.
Yeah, okay. Doesn't matter. That's fine. That works for you. That's all right. Okay, so do you have any questions today from that chapter 6?
I don't think so, honestly. But like it seems pretty like straightforward, honestly. Other than the 6.3, but
Yeah, well, the 6.3 is just using identities to prove the left side equals the right side. So
we just did this in calculus too. Like not with cosine tab, but with like I don't know. We did the almost exact same thing.
Okay.
I didn't even think about joining calculus.
All right. Okay. So are you good with chapter 6 then? I don't need to go through anything with chapter 6 with you.
No, not at the moment.
Okay, what I'm going to do then is I'm going to get likely an assignment done on this today and post it on Edmodo later today on chapter 6.
We just did an assignment on this. Yeah.
Yeah, so what?
Oh, we're doing 2?
Well,
take the better mark, please.
No.
Don't put them both in. That might hit me hard.
You can't get worse than what you've already got. You know that.
I still have a 70 something.
Well, so what? It doesn't go any lower.
I still have a 70 something.
Whatever.
Did you mark our last assignments?
No. I don't think I have many in. I think I have your 2 and Mary's and Petra's.
Could you be really nice and email that assignment to my mom so she can just print it out for me, please?
What's your problem? Why can't you do it?
Because the last assignment I couldn't open for some reason. So I just got my mom to print it off at the school. So then I was just skipping a step there because for some reason I couldn't access it.
All right. I'll try and remember to do that. Okay.
Hey, you're a doll.
Yeah. All right. You want to look at where's Brendan been? I haven't seen him at all.
I'm not sure where he is, honestly. Like, honestly, we have a calculus test on Friday, and I don't think he's done anything in that class either. Yeah, he texted me about that. He is fairly panicked about it. Yeah.
What's he doing? There's nothing to do but this stuff.
Well, I think he's maybe working at his farm. Yeah. That may be it. helping his dad.
All right, well, I will mark those assignments for you. I'll have those marked this morning. I've got only 4 to mark.
I think you just take question 6 right off of there. Oof, God. That's maybe a question. You could do question 6 on the assignment.
Okay. Well, 6 is, yeah.
I just didn't know what that p-value was.
I explained that to you the other day.
Yeah, that really messed me up.
You've
got it on the board, but I still don't know if I did it right.
I've explained that to you the other day, that when you see this, they want the coordinate values for 5 pi over 12. Now, 5 pi over 12 is at an angle that we know, so they want the coordinate values for them. So you have to find the cos of 5 pi over 12 and the sine of 5 pi over 12. So you're just doing it twice.
My phone's like glitching.
So
What the heck?
So
I did not do that right then.
So you don't have to use 2 pi plus 3 pi. You can use whatever you want as long as it equals 5 pi over 12. You could use.
I would have never got that right, just saying.
Well, I explained it to you twice, so now make a note of it because it's important.
I know it's important, but it just doesn't stick up there, you know? Hold on, I'm going to try and find my assignment so I can see what I did.
Well, I've got your assignment. I'll tell you. Oh no, it's Petra. Why don't I have?
I did pi over 6 and pi over 4.
Yeah, but pi over 6. Well, that's what that is. That is pi over 6, and that is pi over 4.
Okay, oh yeah, okay. I just skipped that question.
Great.
So then I got square root 2 plus square root 6 over 4.
Yeah, I don't know what it is. I can't find your assignment, Deanna.
I texted it to you.
You what?
I texted it to you, I think. And I emailed it. My email's not working.
I thought your
Did my
email.
mom give you my assignment yet?
Yeah, I have it. I know I had yours, Dylan.
Neuter.
Yes, I did get it.
Okay, thank you.
Dylan, I gotta find yours though.
I think I emailed it to you in a PDF, and then I texted it to you in a PDF as well.
Okay, so. Oh yeah. Why did I thought I printed it. Okay. I'm printing it right now, so I'll mark them. Oh, that's the problem I had, I think. Yours, you've got a problem the way it's too large. Daylin, that's what the issue is. So I can't print it off. It only prints off like a corner of the first question.
You know, I say she did it all right. You might as well just give her like 100%. Oh, I don't know.
Okay.
Okay, well.
So see if you can shrink that down somehow.
Yeah, I'll see what I can do.
Okay, because it's all there, but I just can't print it. I can only print a corner of the page.
Because I scanned it in PDF. But I'll see. I'll try it. Maybe I'll just take a picture.
Okay. All right. Yeah, that'll work. Okay. So do you have nothing else, girls, for pre-calculus?
Not at the moment, no.
Okay. What about physics? Anything for physics?
Yeah, same.
Anything for physics?
I'm freaking away from my questions.
Spend some time on it and get this done. Because you've had this for 3 weeks and you've done nothing at all hardly.
Number 10 on page 47.
Okay.
Like I'm doing my physics. I'm just making sure I get it right.
All right. Okay, a wire for use in an electric heater has a resistance of 5.2 ohms per meter. So that's like resistance per length, let's say. Okay. It says what length of wire is needed to make a heating element for a toaster that will draw 8.7 amps across a 120 volt line. Okay, so you got current and you got voltage. Your current is 8.7. Your voltage is 120 volts. So let's find out how much resistance is required. All right, so take 120 divided by 8.7. So you get 13.793. Ohms, right? So now to find out, you take that value right there, because that's in ohms, you divide it by 5.25 ohms per meter. So for every 1 meter, you need 5.25 ohms.
So you get 2.627.
Yeah, and that's your answer.
Okay.
It's not really what the reason that it's not really a oops.
I can't hear you.
I said it's not really a one where you use an actual equation for it.
Yeah, and I think that's why I didn't get it. I didn't get the 13.793 divided by 5.25.
Okay. All right. Is that the only one you wanted to look at today?
Yeah, I'm only on number 11, or number 12, sorry.
Okay. So we need to be done to the end of 18 by the end of tomorrow.
By the end of tomorrow?
Yes.
Do you have an assignment for this?
Yes.
Will you bring it out tomorrow?
No.
Or
Friday.
Thursday?
Friday.
Okay, sweet. And it'll be due Tuesday or Monday?
It'll be due. Depends how many questions I put on it.
Okay. To a minimum, please.
All right. Anything else?
Not at the moment, sir.
Okay.
Yeah, no.
All right. Let's. I don't know where Mary is today. She's usually on. So.
She's not. I don't think she's feeling very well.
Okay.
Because she texted me. She wasn't in bio this morning either, and she texted me to record all the lessons.
Okay.
So she'll watch later. She just yeah. Are the questions in the little yellow book the same as the questions in